Hey man, you want to be YouTube famous? Andreas is here helping me. He likes to party, you know.
Always.
Always. So these are the motor mounts we're taking out. That's what we're putting in. Big babies. Heck yeah. Start doing boat jobs, and every time I watch a YouTube thing, they go, "Oh man, we got so busy we didn't film anything." And so I thought I would stop what I'm doing and film some stuff. This is Oceanic Innovations. Okay, look at that baby, urethane and stainless steel. None of you guys know what this is about, or any of you sailors that aren't really engine guys or anything. This is the best of the best of the best. So good stuff. The reason why I say that is because manufactured by disabled American veterans. I know that Australia has a set that they make. I believe they're I don't know much about them. I'm not going to say anything, but I looked at the quality and stuff. It looks like a good solid one. The Yanmar engine mounts made by Yanmar are steel with a non-urethane rubber. This is urethane, man, and this is going to last. One way to check if your motor mounts are bad, or, well, one thing is that they're rusty. The other thing is that, like, the shaft to the prop shaft is going to be like way down low. It's going to be sunk, and mine was like that. So, and there was no adjustment left on my mounts, and I'll show you once I get in there. All right, I'm done talking for now. Looks like they line up real nice. Cool. Hold on.
Hey, Matt, how you doing?
Hey, doing great, buddy. We're putting the motor mounts in right now. I've been cutting a little video. It's been going really good.
Awesome.
Yeah, man. I got them about 2 days after. I saw you did a 2-day air, and I really appreciate it, man. We got them just in time.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
Glad to hear.
Yeah. So, hey, man, I've got a couple questions.
Yep.
Okay. I'm assuming that the nylon bushings are to fill the holes in some of the engine mounts in the the stock.
That's correct.
Okay, that's a filler. All right, now the U brackets with the long bolt. Okay, is that just like a safety bolt? You know, it's made to hold the top.
Yep, exactly. If in the unfortunate event you were to get a rollover, that'll keep your motor from just ripping out of the mount.
Oh, okay, so it's just for a rollover.
Regular Yanmar mounts will just separate.
Okay. Okay, cool, man. That's great. We were curious about that, like if they're supposed to be tightened down or anything like that, but they're just for a rollover precaution.
Yep, they're just rollover. There should be about an 1/8 of an inch gap, at least an 1/8 of an inch gap around where the bolt is.
Yeah, that's.
And the strap.
Yeah, these are setting at about 1/4. I might take them in a little bit, but yeah, man, looks great. Looks great. So.
Good.
Yeah, all right.
I look forward to seeing your video. I want to put it on the web or attach it to our eBay thing or something.
Yeah, man, I'm having fun with it, and I won't swear, I promise. Yeah, this is looking good. They're going in fine. So I'll just keep going, and
Awesome.
I appreciate it. Thanks, Jeff.
Hey, no worries. I appreciate hearing from you.
All right, man. I saw your new ads on eBay too. They look really good.
Thanks. I've still got a few of the old ones to get rid of.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I like the one that's why I wanted to wait on yours. That you got the one, or I got the one for you.
Yeah, smart move, man. Yeah, good move. Yeah, I got them on the on video, so we're good to go.
Awesome.
All right, buddy. Hey, thanks, Jeff. We'll talk to you soon.
All right, see you, buddy.
All right, bye. A little bit, just a little, but all this is for the boat that rolls over, so it'll catch the engine to keep it from fucking dropping. So he knows, okay? But he said that the plastic is for the holes, then the brackets, okay? And we're good, man. Okay, so wanted to show you the new and old differences. This is Mark's, the Yanmars, in case you ever wondered what your block is. Don't order some on eBay that are 75s when these are 200s. These are 200s, it means it'll handle a heavier load. These are the 150 200s, the urethane, but you can see the amount of rubber on this compared to the urethane on this. Way more cush. Stainless steel isn't gonna do this. It's not gonna be rusty. So these are going in. There's a little bit more of a width difference, especially with these bolts. So as you're fitting them, make sure that you do have clearance issues. We ran into a little bit of an issue here, but just, you know, if you've got to have a clearance issue there. And if anybody was wondering, I just talked to Jeff over there at Oceanic Innovations, and he said that these brackets are in case if there's a rollover on the boat, which, God, I hope not. But those are designed so if the boat does roll over, the engine's not going to drop down. These are actually going to catch and hold the whole system. So when you get your boat back up right, everything's okay. So that's how that works. So when you get these in, it comes with a...
Excuse me, Joe, while I reach between your legs.
So when you get these in, it's going to come with this little nylon bushing, and what this does, you've got your washer here, and your other nylon bushing, and what that does is it takes up the space on the motor mount on the Yanmars. So some of them have a bigger hole, and that just is basically a cushion for that. And you just press it on without hurting yourself too bad. And there you go. So that fits in like that. And then your motor mount, and then your other washer, lock washer, and nylock will go in there, and then your motor mount's going to sit here just like that. Nice and easy. You guys can see, got the line here. This is a chain fall.
The impact on the
watching the boat prop. They're adjusting it right now. You can see the alignment. Let's see if I can flip it here. Here's your perspective shot, so you know what you're looking at. The stern of the boat. So after we did the motor mounts, this is the prop shaft here. Okay. So you can see that's really what you're looking for. You want it nice and even on both sides. These boats heel over, man, and you don't want it grinding. Bitchin'. We had this adjusted. It was way down here. The motor mounts adjusted very smooth and evenly, and you know, we took the weight off the motor, reset the mounts, retightened everything, and sat it over. I think we're great. I think we're right where we need to be. Okay. This was not brought to you by Topo Chico. The motor mounts went in really well. Everything went great. The one thing I want to show you guys though is there's a little bit of a clearance issue. These mounts are a little bit wider, and then plus you've got the bolts that go through. You guys always check your measurements, check your clearances. It's not going to be like a perfect fit. These are urethane. a little bit wider plates. So, you know, out of all the things that have gone so smoothly on this, this is the one thing. And it's not a manufacturing thing. I mean, if they wanted to make them exactly like the Yanmar mounts, then they would have. But they're not. And they're way better. I fired this sucker up and it ran like a clock, like a Swiss watch, man. You could feel like no shake on the boat at all. And that's what was really cool. So hang on. Okay, now I can get the camera in here. Probably don't even need a light, but so you can see the offset where the old mount right here used to sit, and how far I had to move this here because of the width of these and the protector brackets that go around it. And it's no big deal. All I have to do, this is just, you know, a piece of fiberglass bulkhead. I'm going to drill a small hole back in here, so I'll have the fitment. It'll bring this right to where it should be, and it'll be aligned. I'm not going to do that though until I get my transmission pulled out, and then I can make the adjustment. But for now, it's great. There was just enough room to get this in here. So there's the nuts, washers. The nylon bushing is in here that you can't see. And this is the bed nut, I believe they call it, and the jam nut. So this is everything, man. Worked really great. That's glue that I got on there somehow. There. Now it's almost professional. Sorry, Jeff. But that's the thing. So before I get the rest of my insulation put up, I just wanted to show you guys this and show you what we're dealing with here as far as a little bit more meat on the bone with these suckers. You know, can't complain. It's awesome. The other thing, these are the, like I said before, these are the 150-200s, and made in USA. These are the 150-200s, so you don't have to have a different, you know, like a 200 weight on the starter side and a 150 weight on the I guess that's the pump side of the engine. But wherever the starter is, typically Yanmar would have it where they would put the heavier weighted mounts on one side. With these, you don't need that. They're a dual 150-200 system. It will handle that starter just fine. And I just had it rebuilt, the original big heavy Yanmar starter, and boy, you don't even know it. So it's good stuff. Well worth the money. And guess what? They're damn near comparable to the Yanmar price, so I say go for it, man. And that's the best I can do for you as far as, you know, you guys want to know what it's about doing these mounts. Maybe I'll get another video out soon, and I'll let you know after I get some good solid hours on them what I really think. But as far as this boat sitting on the hard, on the sticks, not floating in the water and firing up, which I would think there would be a hell of a lot more vibration than it being in the ocean, it's amazing. There's like nothing. It feels nice. So, all right. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.
Wanted to get a shot of the rear mounts installed for you. That's the starboard side mount. Turned out really nice. And over here, this will give you a better phone. Yeah, dude, I almost bought a pair of 75s off of Craigslist because the guy was wanting to know. He's like, yeah, I got Yanmar motor mounts, and man, they're not all the same. You know, you get some light ones for like a 20 or something, you get a set of 75s. Those would have just, that engine would have ate them up.
Yeah.
I don't even think they would have fit. Yeah, maybe they would have.